Hello all, a very happy morning. Jyoti here from Sri Purnima. We are having a small home-based store located at Sadashivam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. We deal with different types of sarees and dress materials. Okay. So today we are coming up with two sets of collections. Some 7 sarees in Khadi ikat sarees, okay, pure handloom sarees, and some 4 sarees in Banarasi cotton silk sarees. Okay, both the sarees are priced at 1150, 1150. Okay, 1150 is the price for all the sarees which we are going to display today, and shipping charges is applicable. Shipping charges 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India for singles. COD available for all the products. COD processing charges 100 rupees extra applicable to the total product cost and the total shipping charges. Let's go with the sarees now. So today we are coming up with two sets of collection. The first one we are going to see is Khadi ikat sarees. Okay, pure handloom saree. The quality will be very awesome, very soft. Okay, so it's all woven. Okay, this is the first saree. The pallu is very rich. Pure handloom saree. Very nice texture. Okay, this is the first saree. Okay, so in the borders you have this kind of a ikat weaving. Okay, all of them are woven. It's not printed. Okay, so this is the first saree. It's a half white color. All over the body you have the plain body part in the center, and you have this kind of a temple designs as like the ikat designs coming in both the borders. Okay, in both the borders you have this kind of a design with contrasting border, and the pallu is like this. This is the pallu, a half white, a sandalish white. Okay, as like the Kerala saree, the color will be half white with brown color pallu and running blouse piece. Okay, the total length of the saree is 6.5 meters with 1 meter running blouse. These sarees are priced at 1150, pure khadi cotton handloom saree with ikat designs. Okay, this is the first saree. It's a sandal color. Okay, cream color with brown color pallu, priced at 1150. Shipping is extra. Hi ma'am. So this is the body part. All over the body you have this kind of a design. Okay, this is the body. Okay, this is a pure handloom, so the texture will be very soft. Okay, you have the Ganga Jamuna border. The upper border is a brown color and the lower border is a goldenish cream color, and this is the full look of the saree. Please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me at 915055687. It has the running blouse, not the contrast blouse. Okay, if you want you can match it with the cotton contrast blouse. Okay, the total length of the saree is 6.5 meters. You have the pom-poms as well in the pallu. This is the first saree. Very soft saree. So the second one is again a cream color with brown combination. So this is the full look of the saree. In the border you have the small size temple along with the golden zari, a mild golden zari with ball shaped buttas coming in the pallu. Okay, it's a cream with brown color, and the blouse piece coming with running cream color with the temples in the border. This is the blouse piece. The total length of the saree is 6.5 meters. All over the saree you have the same kind of a design. I will show you the full look now. It's a plain body with temple designs in the pallu with ball buttas in the pallu, and this is how the saree will be looking. Both the borders, in both sides of the borders you have the same kind of a design. Okay, this is the second saree. The fabric is a handloom, pure handloom cotton saree, pure cotton saree, priced at 1150. My WhatsApp number is 915055687. Please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me for all the orders and inquiries. So the next is this pattern. So this is the next pattern. Okay, you have box shaped designs coming all over the body part. It's actually a very mild pastel shade of green with bottle green combination along with a black color border coming in both the sides. Okay, it's a black color border with pastel shade of a light green color body part and the bottle green with ikat designs along with the pom-poms. This is the full look of the saree. So all over the body part you will be having. The texture is very soft. It's a handloom. Okay, it's not power loom. It's a handloom. So this is the full look of the saree. This is the body part and this is the pallu. Okay, so this is the full look of the saree. For this saree you get the running blouse. Okay, for this saree also you get the running blouse, just a plain blouse. So this is the full look of the saree. So the same design and some color variation is available. So light green with bottle green combination. So this is the next color combination. I will show you in this way. So the fabric and details are the same, just the color will be a little different. So this is the next saree. It's a parrot green with bottle green combination. Pure cotton. 100% pure cotton sarees. Okay, no mixes there. So this is the blouse piece, a running blouse piece in green color. And this is the full look of the pallu. This is the body part. You have the borders in a greenish black color tone. Price of these sarees is 1150. So the next same design with green and black combination. Actually these colors only, these will be having a limited color options. So this is the next one. It's a bottle green with black color combination. So this is the next color available. Okay, I will show you in this way. All over the body, the same design will be coming. Okay, all over the body part, the same kind of a box design will be coming. So this is the pallu, a contrasting pallu. And for this saree, the blouse will be coming in the contrast black color. Okay, only for this particular saree. Most all other sarees will be having the running blouse as like the body color. Okay, this is the next saree. Please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me at 9150556870 for all the orders and enquiries. It's a 100% pure cotton handloom saree with ikat design. Priced at 1150, shipping extra. So the next is a little design variation, white and red. So this is the design you will be having in the saree. Okay, it's same box type, but you will be having a double border with spaces. This is the next design with red color combination. So this is the body part. This is how the body will be looking. And the pallu, same box type, and you have the white color blouse piece. Okay, plain white color, just the border you will be having the red color. So this is the next saree design. You have the pom-poms for all the sarees in the pallu. The saree length is 6.5 meters with the running blouse. So this is the full look of the saree. A very soft saree. Starch, if you want the stiffness, you can apply the starch, else the saree will be going very smooth. Okay, starch is not mandatory, but if you want the stiffness, starch is recommended. So this is the next saree, white with red color. So the same design, light orange color. Okay, both are orange, mild orange with dark orange combination is there. So this is the pallu, the same design of the white and red color, same design as like the previous one. It's a mild creamish orange with dark orange color combination. Priced at 1150. 100% pure cotton saree, handloom. Okay, so these are the collections we have in the khadi ikat sarees. Next we are moving with the Banarasi cotton silk sarees. These are also priced at 1150. So it's a full flower woven saree. Okay, so all over the design it's been woven. Okay, you can see the, excuse me, so it's all completely woven. These designs are woven using the thread, only the border you have the zari. Okay, so this is the first saree in the Banarasi cotton silk. The fabric would be very soft, regular maintenance. So this is actually a Tasher color, light brown shade. Price it 1150. You have the medium size border in top and a little bigger border in the down part. It's not so big, it's a little bigger than the medium, however. So this is the first saree. It's a light brown or Tasser color, whatever you can call. So price it 1150. The pallu comes with a golden work along with the floral design. So this is the pallu and you have the running blouse. So total length of this saree is 6.3 meters, but the pana is very big, so you can use it well. So you have the running blouse here. You can match it with the Banarasi blouse as well if you like it. So this is the first saree in the second collection, Banarasi cotton silk saree, pure Banarasi cotton silk saree, not any replica products. Price it 1150, shipping extra. So we have different color combinations and a slight variation in the design will be coming, but the fabric and the details will be the same. Okay, so this is the second one. It's a green color, sea green color. Okay, this is the next one. It's a green color. Okay, with a different floral design. All of them are woven with golden zari pallu. Okay, the pallu will be like this with running blouse. Price it 1150. You have the running blouse. This is the blouse. Okay, the blouse will be coming. Total length of the saree is 6.3 meters. You can mix and match if you wish. Okay, so this is the next saree. Please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me at 91505 WhatsApp number, all the details been mentioned at the description as well. So you can check the details at there also. So this is the next one. So the next one is a lovely yellow color. Very soft fabric. It will be blending very nicely. So this is the next one. It's a cotton silk. It's more of a cotton, less of a silk. It's a yellow color. So it will be blending nicely and you will be having a very fit when you drape it. So this is the pallu. Okay. All the sarees will be having a goldenish pallu with running blouse. Okay. Only the floral design will mildly vary. That's it. So we will be posting the pictures as well in our page after the live is done after some time. So you can verify there for the real pictures as well. In video there might be some color variations possible. We are not having any special effects, any reflection lights or something. Just the tube light and the sunlight. Okay. So it depends upon the resolution and the viewing settings as well. So this is the last saree for today's live. It's a blue color, sky blue tone, this kind of a floral design. All of them are woven. Okay, the fabric will be very soft. It's more of a cotton and less of a silk, so it will blend very nicely. Okay, it's a very soft fabric. So this is the details into the saree, and you have the goldenish pallu. Okay, and you have the running blouse. The total length of this saree is 6.3 meters. Okay, so for all the orders and inquiries, please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me at 91505 so shipping charges is extra applicable. Regular shipping charges is 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu for singles and 100 rupees rest of India for singles. COD available for all the products. If you want to see other collections, you can always check with my WhatsApp number. Okay, the catalogs, all the details, all the available collections are regularly updated in our WhatsApp catalog. So you can check for our collections there directly in a single click. So COD available for all the products. COD processing charges 100 rupees extra applicable. Okay, shipping charges is different and COD processing charges is different. COD processing charges is the amount that we are paying to the courier agency to process our COD orders. Okay, shipping charges is the regular shipping charges. This is the difference. So thanks for all your support. We will be coming again to the live by next Tuesday. We are actually out of station this week. So next Tuesday we will be meeting again. So until then, bye bye. Thank you. Have a good day.